Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make Nigerian yogurt at home. First, gather your ingredients: fresh milk, a good quality starter culture, and sugar to taste. It's crucial to use full-fat milk for that authentic creamy texture. Also, make sure all your utensils and containers are thoroughly clean and sanitized. This simple preparation ensures a successful and delicious batch of homemade yogurt. Next, gently heat your milk in a clean pot. Bring it to a temperature of 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 82 degrees Celsius, stirring frequently to prevent it from scorching. This step is vital for sterilizing the milk and creating a clean slate for your culture. Once heated, let the milk cool down to around 110 degrees Fahrenheit or 43 degrees Celsius before proceeding. Now it's time to introduce your starter culture. Once the milk has cooled to the correct temperature, add about 2 tablespoons of plain, unsweetened yogurt with live cultures or a commercial starter. Gently stir it in, ensuring it's well combined without overmixing. Then, pour the mixture into clean jars, cover them tightly, and prepare for the fermentation process. Place your covered jars in a warm, undisturbed spot, ideally between 95 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit or 35 and 43 degrees Celsius. Let it ferment for 6 to 10 hours, or until it reaches your desired thickness and tanginess. Once fermented, refrigerate the yogurt for at least 4 hours to chill and set properly. Enjoy your homemade Nigerian yogurt.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.